everyone, welcome back to another video on Double G&L Farm. So if you remember in our last video, we got an inch and a half of rain, so we are rained out of the field. But it is also that time of year to wean all the spring calves. So we're gonna go down to a farm that we rent. This morning, Elsie caught all the pairs that were out on pasture. We are going to sort the cows and the calves. We're only gonna wean the calves that were born before June 1st. So we will be giving them their weaning shots and pouring them, and then we'll be hauling all of the calves and their moms that were born after June 1st out to graze. So here we go. Stop. Those are all the calves that were born before June 1st, and those are all the calves that were born after June 1st.
Picture time! Smile!
Are you sure you don't want me to?
Emmie's camera shy. Do what, Grandma? Elsie actually can clean up nice.
Put your get this shoulder open.
Esty, your head's too crooked. No. Honey, Esty, your head's crooked again.
Goodness, Elsie, you look small. Nellie, you just worry about yourself and not her.
Kick the cows out here. They've been weaned to graze the corn stalks and clean up all the spilled corn. The wire's already strung, so now I'm pounding posts to hold the wire up, putting insulators in and the wire.
Alright everyone, this morning we have 2 potloads of fat cattle going out. I'm really excited about it. They just arrived. Let's go see them. put the bean head on the combine, so now it's time to go start combining beans for the first time for the year. This is exciting. Okay, stay tuned. Here we go. Yeah, we're not gonna talk about that right now.
What is this? Emmie May, do you have an explanation for this? This is why I like grazing stocks after Emmie runs a grain cart.
Alrighty, so I thought I better explain a little bit about that spill that I showed earlier. So we had the gates open to let the rain out this morning, and I'm positive that I saw Dad shutting the gates, but I don't know if he just didn't shut the one, if there was like a reason behind why he didn't shut it, I don't know. Anyways, I'm not sure if you all remember when the miniature cows got out and they were in the bean field and I chased them out in the drone, their path was, well, it was back there. just finished for the night. We ended up quitting a little bit earlier due to the beans starting to get tough, but I'm gonna end the video here. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below. We'll see you next time.